So the JU-52, the whole goal of this project was to make a park flyer for myself. So here you'll see the two ailerons moving, and then you'll see the elevators moving too. I also throttled up the motor a little bit too, so that's in the video.
Komm doch mit zum Wochenende in mein kleines Haus am See. Du und ich, wir sind alleine.
So in this video you can see the ESC, and then you can also see the receiver in it. And one major problem with this design was that I had to glue on the nose cone every single time I wanted to fly. Now this was my first crash, and you will see the second crash in a moment. I play it in slow motion for you guys. So at the time of this video, I still haven't repaired it, but I do hope to see you again soon for when I fly it again.